stories of love, hope, and support continue to flow from the upstate as the recovery from Helene continues. Reporter Julia Keener joined people from all over the upstate in the grand opening of the popular Pretty Place Chapel in Greenville County.
With help from across the entire country, YMCA's Pretty Place Chapel was able to rebuild and somehow come back even more beautiful than ever. Friday, the parking lot was full of cars with people eager to see the amazing sight.
Breathtaking is to say the least, and that doesn't even, words don't even express it.
That is the newly renovated chapel. President and CEO Sam Franklin tells us during the storm, the roof was ripped off the chapel, which took out most of the benches. He says this renovation totaled about $450,000. He tells us donations came from 33 states, as far as Alaska.
It's just joyous, I think, for us to get the chapel back up and running. It's just such a beacon of hope and for the community here. It's a landmark. The chapel here, the camp's been here 100 years on the mountain. The chapel was built in 1941.
Franklin tells us just for the sunrise service alone on Friday, they saw around 275 people, and that the YMCA team is grateful for the support. In Greenville County, Julia Keener, 7 News.
It really is such a beautiful place. They encourage people to visit over the coming days and weeks, as it can be tough when events start booking again.